Well, people, it's been 2 days. Sorry about that. When I finished the other day, it was dark, very dark. So can't film in the dark. We ain't got no lights up here, and the moon had clouds, so that didn't work. Yep. Let's swing all up here so you can see what we finished the other day. Whoa, check this out. Wow, snagglepuss. What is that? That's called a centipede, man. But it's dead. Look at that. Woo-wee. That's nuts. That's nuts. Okay. As you remember, at the beginning, we cleaned all the bottom down here a couple days ago. Cleaned up all the weeds, trimmed up the tea leaf, and we worked on the top. Again, that is our hala. We use those leaves for weaving purposes. But here we go. Cleaned up all that tall 5-6 foot 1-inch thick grass. Boy, was that a chore. Yes, sorry for the sun glare. I have 1 and 2 crown flowers that seem to be surviving. Those were the first 2 that I planted over there. They were probably about 6 inches tall. They're doing rather well right now. Yep. 1 papaya survived. I had planted 2 up there, but the other one did not make it. So all this is cleaned up, as you can see. I am so thrilled. These 2 little sticks right here, those were 2 more crown flowers I had planted up there. I'm not sure if they're going to make it or not, but I'm going to leave them as they're at, and we'll see how they do. Might bring some starters down here and try to kick that back off. But we cleared up all this area up here, took out all that tall grass, threw it up in the back, you know, just like that, and let it compost. But it is looking nice. Yes. This is not an area that we walk up there. No, that's just where I go do my maintenance, keep the area clear of overgrowth. I will need to tackle some of these trees. I need to thin out some more of these trees, these bigger ones. And that one right there. But not today, gang. No, not today. We're a one-man show today. I don't want to take that chance. So let's see what this looks like from this view. That is, wow. It hasn't looked this nice and clean for at least 6 months, you know. Yeah. About 3 weeks ago, we had moved this kukui nut tree. It is roughly about 4.5, almost topping out at 5 feet tall. We trimmed up all the lower branches, just left the top, picked off all the main leaves and just left the top leaves so all that energy can go down to that root. Hopefully that guy will become as large as those trees. Those are kukui nut trees. Here's some of his companions over here that are doing rather well. They take a while, but that got planted. This is an ohia. Hopefully that will survive. It's doing really, really well. But all these other guys are doing really nice. I'm planning on bringing some more tea leaf down, maybe about 4 or 5 more, and you know, just fill out those holes in there. Yeah, probably bring a couple more over here, a couple more right there, just to fill out those little holes. I'm going to leave all tea leaf in the bottom. Really encourage this crown flower to grow up here and hopefully help those 2 crown flowers. This hala here in the center will get as large as this one right here. Probably upwards of 25, 30 feet tall. Yeah, nothing to mess around with. But this is looking really good. I'm glad it's done. Glad I could film in the daytime for you folks. But have a good one.